So I had a follower the other day ask how you remove the wheel from a checkpoint. I'll show you a few steps to make it a little bit easier for any bike. You want to kind of just loosen the chain as best you can to make sure that the wheel drops out the derailleur area so that it doesn't snag and cause any issues. But here, I'll show you how to do this real quick. First thing, make sure you are in the lowest gear, front and back, if you've got a front and back, or front, I guess. But make sure you're in the lowest gear there so that the chain drops out of the way as easy as possible. Not all bikes, but some bikes, especially on the checkpoint, the GRX drivetrain has a clutch. It's just this lever right here. Turn that down. Next, you just loosen your through axle. Once you loosen it enough, you'll see that it'll kind of slide out. See if I can back it out a little more. And then the tension comes loose and the wheel will drop out of place. See if I can do this. Once you have the axle out, you'll see that the wheel just wants to fall out naturally. You're going to see it's going to get caught right here underneath the chain. But if you've got it loose enough, chain comes right off. Just pull the wheel right out. To reinsert, you'll see that the chain will line up with the derailleur, but you're not going to get it just right perfect. What you've got to do is pull the derailleur back or down from the wheel here to open up the derailleur so that you can slide this back up to the through axle mount. Hopefully that will help with removing tire or wheel set in the future if you've got flats or anything, or need to change sealant or change out tire. But loosen up that chain first, drop your clutch if you've got a clutch on the derailleur, and then drop out the back wheel. Thanks for watching.